G'day folks, today we're going to talk about some interesting and must-have accessories for the Ryze Tello Drone. So Christmas is just around the corner, and there's going to be some people maybe giving this as a gift this year. Maybe you're going to buy it for yourself, or if you're watching this after Christmas, maybe you did get one through the holiday season as a gift. So I'm going to go over some accessories here that I think every owner of a Tello Drone should have. Now, if you don't own the Tello Drone, a little bit of information about it. This is by a company called Ryze. It features Intel and DJI technology inside. It's a really good drone for the price. The standard price is 99 bucks, I do believe, but it is on sale right now with the DJI winter sale, so you can actually get it for a really good deal. Now, it doesn't have the best camera in it, but it does a not too bad a job for the price. It's got an HD camera in it, and it can take some pretty nice photos as well. Now, if you have kids that are maybe wanting to get into the hobby, maybe they've taken an interest in drones, but you don't want to spend an arm and a leg on a drone, something like this is a good idea. It's pretty durable, it can take some abuse, and if something does happen to it, it's not as devastating as if it was a $1,000 drone that got destroyed. So yeah, definitely go and check that out on the DJI website if you are interested in that. So let's talk about a few things here. When you purchase the drone, you can see that mine is blue. When you purchase it, it actually comes with a white cover. That's the default one that comes with it. However, you can purchase these little covers for it, and the old one just pops off and the new one just pops in. It's a nice way to personalize it if you have a favorite color. Now, these cover plates are more just for fun, but they really can enhance your enjoyment of it. Now, the next thing I have here is a Wi-Fi extender. The Tello Drone connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, and with that, you don't have the greatest range. The video feed can be a little choppy, and you can get disconnected pretty easy. Basically, the Wi-Fi extender boosts your signal and allows you to fly a little bit farther without being disconnected. They're not a lot of money. They can be a little tricky to set up. There's lots of YouTube videos explaining how that process is done. You will need to use this with a power bank. It has a standard USB-A end there. That plugs into a power bank, and that's where it gets its power from. It's super portable, doesn't take up a lot of room in your pack, and it can add a lot of enjoyment to your flight. Now, the next thing here is probably the most important accessory you can get. It's not really an accessory, but they are spare batteries. When you purchase the Tello Drone, it comes with one battery, and really you're not going to get a lot of flight time out of that. It can be pretty frustrating. You just get it up in the air and you're having fun, and then battery is dead. So definitely pick up a couple spare batteries. These batteries are pretty cheap, and compared to other drones, that's a really good deal. The next thing here is a hub. This is a charging hub for your batteries. So they basically just sit in there like that. At the back there, it has a micro USB port, and it just plugs into any USB-A slot. This hub allows you to charge 3 batteries, and that's nice because when you purchase the Tello Drone, it comes with a micro USB cable, and the only way to charge your Tello Drone is via the drone itself. You plug the micro USB into the port there, and your drone will charge the battery. Now, the problem with using a drone to charge your batteries is every time you go to charge a battery, your drone is not able to be used, so you have to sit and wait. If you have spare batteries in a hub, you can burn through a battery and keep charging your batteries while you're flying. So definitely getting some kind of charging hub really helps enhance your flying time. So the next thing I got here is a remote. When you get the Tello Drone, it does not come with a remote. It's flyable via your smartphone. It has controls built into the screen, built into the app, and that's how you fly it. Flying a drone with a smartphone can be a little tricky, and you just don't have that precision as you do with control sticks. There are many third-party remotes that will work with the Tello. Now, most of these remotes aren't made specifically for the Tello. They're used for your smartphone to play video games, but they do work with the Tello. You fold that up, you can mount your phone, and there you go. So this model here by Gamester is not a lot of money. It's sold on the DJI website, and I believe you can get it on Amazon as well. It has buttons for shortcuts and just makes flying a lot easier and a lot more fun. So definitely a must-have for flying the Tello. Now, the next thing I have here is a power bank for the Tello Drone batteries. I've already done a review of this on my channel, but thought I would include it in this video. Basically, it is a power bank, and it can independently charge your batteries just by plugging them in one at a time. Hitting that button there, and it's going to go through and see how much charge is in them and start charging them. This is great because it's a wire-free way to charge your batteries. You can throw this now in a backpack or a camera bag and charge your batteries on the go. Now, charging the Tello batteries via this small tree power bank, it does take a little bit longer than the hub, but definitely sometimes the convenience outweighs the negative. So now let's take a look at some cases here. I've got 2 cases. One is by PGY Tech. This one I'm not sure who makes it. This one is a little bit smaller. But they serve kind of different purposes, and we'll kind of get into that in a minute. Now, it's very important to have a case for your Tello Drone. You know, even though it is durable, it can be damaged pretty easy if there's any kind of weight on it. If it gets sat on, stepped on, throwing around a car. So it is a good idea to get a case to protect your Tello. Now, when it comes to small cases, this is my favorite one. It's by PJY Tech. Now, why I like this case is that it can hold 3 batteries, technically 4 because you'd have one in the drone as well, and it has a spot for the charging hub. You can put your drone in there like that, and you have everything you need to fly. Now at the top here, there's a little fold down section, and there's a space in there. You can put your smartphone in here, some cabling, whatever else you need. There's even room to put in your Wi-Fi extender, just like that. So yeah, it's a nice little case. It's not overly big, and it holds everything you need to go out and fly. Now this is the case I use most of the time. You can see it is quite a bit bigger, but the reason why it is bigger is that it has a section to hold the remote. It's specially made to hold this GameSir remote, and the remote just fits in there like that. It has 3 spots for batteries. So again, it can hold 4 because you can put one in the drone. And it's got a little slot there for the charging hub as well. The drone fits in there like that. And there you go. You got everything you need. Now it does have a very large pocket up here. So you can put all your other accessories like your phone, power bank, your Wi-Fi extender. And if you want, there's even enough room to put the Small Tree Tello power bank in there. Just like that. It zips up, and there you go. Everything you need to fly in one nice little case. Now, before we go here, I just want to quickly talk about this Wi-Fi extender again and the Small Tree power bank. You might want to consider getting this if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. The reason being, like I said, you can charge your Tello drone batteries, but it also has a standard USB-A port, so you can power your extender right from this little power bank. All you do is you plug it into the side there like that, and it's powered on now. You can see the light there. And away you go. You can go fly and get some nice good range. So having something like this is nice. It's not overly big. You can charge your Tello batteries, plus you can power your extender. And it saves you having to carry around more gear than you need. Well folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you found this video useful if you have the Tello drone and are looking for some accessories for it. Or perhaps, like I said, maybe you got one for Christmas, or you're thinking about purchasing one. Give this video a thumbs up if you did find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.